We do have Sony Xperia XZ2 on my chair today, and we're going to do a first unboxing and hands-on of the device. Been looking forward to this one because it's Sony's first high-end phone for 2018, getting some decent reviews overall, and it's Sony, you know, this is Sony stable, this channel, and we do want to see what Sony is bringing here. So let's just open it up and see what we're getting. So obviously I still think the XZ Premium is the main boy if you want Sony, but this might knock it off its spot, we don't know. Let's have a look. Get it open here. Wow, it's stuck in there. There we go, there we go. So this is the device, as you can see. Typical colour here, only get things in black now when it comes to Sony. Wow, that looks nice. That does look pretty nice. Let's just put that to the side for a sec and see what else you get. So you do get a fast charger, as you can see, and that is Sony branded. An adapter. No headphone jack, unfortunately. And you get your earbuds, your earphones as well. Is it any decent? Let's have a look. So these are MH750s, which sound pretty good. I think you can get some offers on if you pre-ordered to get a pair of headphones with the device, but I didn't pre-order, unfortunately. I just bought it. And that's it. So this concludes the unboxing. Let's get the phone out here. So it feels very nice in the hand, well made. It has a new kind of wrap here, so you pull that. Ooh. Very HTC build quality, gotta say. I mean, that does remind me of HTC U11. Let's just go to the front. Wow, looks nice though. You know, I do like the fact that Sony's making an effort this year. Samsung didn't. So you can see it looks very uniform. I think they've abandoned the omnibalance design and it's like a different word now. Very classy look, you know, not too flashy, but certainly it feels like a flagship phone here. So no headphone jack, that is something, as I said, which is a bit annoying, but Sony at the bottom, that is different from usual. It's usually at the top. Just powering it on here. So you can get these for about €800. Very expensive, obviously, for a handset, but is the pretty much the going rate now when it comes to your flagship phone. And you can see we have the traditional kind of startup here. Just going to skip through this. So the setup process feels really nice and snappy here. Going through this, just going to this and the Xperia services, Xperia Assist, software configuration, and next, all set, go. Oh wow, so nice little introduction there, and you can see this is how it looks when you first power it on. It feels really like a fresh experience here. You even have like a different sound when you're touching it. They've gotten rid of the like traditional Xperia noise. Everything feels very nice and slick here. And you got some downloads, AR effect, So let's have a look at the Android here. I'm guessing it is Oreo. So yeah, 8.0.0 and February patch level, which is nice. And let's have a look at the stuff. So we get some new wallpapers, which are very easy to apply. I gotta say, you know, Sony's definitely made a big effort here to make a fresh experience. I don't think they're getting enough praise really for it. I mean, look at all these new wallpapers, pretty awesome. And that one looks pretty awesome. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about. So do the apps look any different? Let's have a look at the Music Walkman app. So if we go into the settings, so look at the audio. So you still have all your good stuff here, as you can see, audio enhancements. I think Sony's still ahead when it comes to the audio enhancements really. No other manufacturer gives you that much choice. So what else do we have here? Let's have a look. In the settings you can choose your icon size, so you can have it on small. Wow, that looks pretty dainty. And haptic feedback's quite aggressive. Can you hear that? Very, very loud. Hopefully you can scale that back. So look at the camera. This is a nice camera here. I don't think it's that changed from the last one in terms of the hardware, but it should be pretty good nevertheless. Oops. So that was a little bit blurry. Obviously I don't have much space here to do a shot, but let's try it again. Don't want to make Sony look bad. It still takes it a little bit slow compared to the competition. I mean, when you do press it on the competition, it takes it straight away. So that maybe could be improved with software update. But it looks, you know, pretty nice and in focus when you do take the shot. Not in the best lighting conditions, but you know, it is realistic, I guess, as to what you'll be using it for. So let's have a look at what you're getting. So it looks like it's the same kind of interface here. You know, your video, etc., your AR effects. Let's have a look. Let's go back. HDR video, I think you get as well. Video resolution 4K, nice. So you can see quite a lot of options here. Steady shot, superior auto they still have. They had that for ages now. Resolution 17 megapixel, that's quite new. I've not seen that before on Sony. And yeah, so a mixture of new things here and existing things that you're probably already aware of, not hugely different, but overall the actual phone feels very fresh here and new, and the build quality feels quite nice. It's a bit chunky, but you know, it does feel quite comfortable in the hand. Got a very HTC vibe to it though, so I'm guessing some people won't like that, but yeah, just a quick little unboxing, first look of XZ2 by Sony. We'll be doing some videos with this one, so do stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.